welcome to my video. Today we're making water slime. So for the water slime ingredient, we'll need water, glue, dishwash soap, scissors, food coloring, the lid, and the spoon. So let's get started. First we'll add this joy in here. Let's cut up using scissors. I think that's a okay, that's enough. Oops. Next we'll add this. Next we'll add this. Only one drop. That's one drop. Now we'll stir. Oh. Oops, wrong. Then we'll add water. And then stir. It's kind of smelling nice. Now the key is you have to stir it slowly. Add a little bit more water. Well, this is water slime and all, but this is water slime and all, so we'll need a lot of water. That's why I have this measuring cup. And I think we have to put all the water in. Now we'll add the glue, the clear one, that I used for my last clear slime ingredient. Okay, I think that's enough glue for now. There's still a little bit more in there. Now let's stir it slowly as a cat. It's still kind of liquidy. I think this is normal, because I never make slime. So let's try to mix it slow. Okay guys, so to activate this water slime, we'll need a borax activator. So let's pour it in little by little and stir. Oh, it's kind of activating now, guys. Kind of like a jelly now. There. Now these are kind of liquidy. Oops. I may have poured in too much activator there. Now it's kind of like jelly feeling. It's not sticking to my hand, and though it feels liquid. Sticking to the spoon. Okay, let's add more activator. Some of these are like stuck to the spoon. Okay, so you're wondering why it's like this. It's like this. Well, clear slimes are usually like this. If you if you add some of this. So it's kind of not sticking to my hand. It feels like a jelly. Let's try to play with it by hand. Let's cover the activator. Put it here. And let's play with the slime a little. Hopefully this doesn't stick to my slime like the other one did. Yeah, it's the nice texture. Oh. Doesn't stick to my hands. I think this will be a really nice slime to play with. By the way guys, you can share it with your friends. But never bring this to school. Your teacher might get angry with you. Let's try to scratch it. Oh, it broke. See guys? It's kind of icky, like slime. Kind of like slobber. Frog slobber. But guys, this is perfect for Halloween. So you can, this is a prank idea for your friends. So you have the slime in your hand, you play with it a little, then flat it and surprise your friends by saying ah! And they will totally freak out. So I will show you this in about 3 days, and we'll compare it to the other slime to the other clear slime in 3 days, because it will be much more clear in 3 days. So let's put the slime back in and cover this in. And we'll see you in 3 days. Bye! Hi guys, so as promised, I'm going to show you the slime that I made after 3 days. So let's see how it turned out. Wow, it's really clear guys, and really green. Let's smell it. It smells like calamansi. As promised, I will also compare this with the other clear slime that I made out of clear glue and Ariel liquid detergent with Downy. So guys, these are the two slimes that I made out of clear glue. So this one is the water slime that I made out of clear glue and Joy dishwashing liquid. And this one is my clear slime that I made out of clear glue and Ariel liquid detergent with Downy. So let's compare it to this one. This one is more clearer than this one. And this one is kinda clear, but they both smell really nice. You don't have to put scent anymore. So let's play with it. Now it's time for us to play with the slime, with the water slime. So let's play. Whoa, it's not sticky, but only in the bowl. It's soft. You can see my fingers there, see? Even my fingerprints. And my hand also smells like calamansi now. Wow, it broke like a jelly. Whoa. it's really soft, guys. Let's try to pick it up. Whoa! Haha. It's nice playing with it. It's non-sticky. You can see my fingerprints there, guys. Let's try to stretch it. Oh, there's little bubbles there, see?
Is it satisfying?
Yeah, it's kind of satisfying and really, really soft. It's also soft to the texture. But let's put this back in the bowl.
Go.
So comparing the two, they are both soft to the texture and really fun to play with. So this one is more clear than this one. And they are both Christmas colors because green and red are Christmas colors like mistletoe. So guys, that's it for my vlog today. Hope you guys enjoy my slime video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my new videos. Bye!